4 levels of omelette in 5 minutes. In a small bowl, crack 4 eggs and add 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Whisk them gently for half a minute. Prepare some thin slices of eggplant and bell pepper. Here you can add the vegetables that you like. On a medium heat, add 1/4 teaspoon of butter to a skillet. When it melts, add 1/4 the amount of the eggs. Distribute the eggs so it becomes a full circle. When it hardens, add a slice of turkey on one side. Flip the other side onto the turkey to make a half circle. Now fill the empty part of skillet with 1/4 of the batter. Then add the desired cheese. Here I'm using Emanuel or Gruyere cheese. When it hardens, flip it again on the other side of the omelette. Now on the empty side of the skillet, saute the eggplant for half a minute. And then repeat the process. Flip the omelette into half a circle and saute the red peppers. Flip it. Then add some cheese on top. I'm using here feta cheese and mozzarella. Close the lid for another 1 minute. Then turn off the heat and wait for another minute until the cheese is melted.